Hello students. Now we are going to solve this type of problem. There is a super trick for solving this problem. Once you know this trick, it's very easy for you all to solve this such kind of problems. So when sin x to the power m dx, sin cos x to the power dx, sin x to the power m cos x to the power n dx, where m is integer, that two positive integer, m is positive integer, and m and n both are positive integer. So we'll discuss in detail how to solve this kind of questions. And if you know this technique, it's very easy for you to solve such type of question. So we are going one by one. We'll start from sin x to the power m dx. Say for it is a sin square x dx. So you know the formula of cos 2x is equal to 1 minus twice of sin square x. So 2 sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x. So sin square x can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x. So put it here. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2x dx. So this is equal to 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 2 cos 2x dx. So it is 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2, and integration of cos 2x is how much? Sin 2x upon 2 dx. Right? So this is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 sin 2x plus c. Now we are moving to next question. When you have a sin to the power 3x. So what we are going to do? We are going to do sin square x into sin x dx. This is the trick we have to follow. Here power is odd number 3. So 1 sin x we have taken out, and the remaining will remain same. And this sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x sin x dx. Now let cos x equals to t. So our differentiation of cos x is minus sin x dx equals to dt. So sin x dx equals to minus dt. Now put the value of here 1 minus t square into minus dt. So it is a t square minus 1 dt. So this is a t cube by 3 minus t plus c. Now put the value of t here. So that is a cos cube x by 3 minus cos x plus c. So you can see how we are separating these two. Now we are moving to next question. Say for sin to the power 5x dx. Then put sin to the power 4x here into sin x dx. So this you can write as 1 minus cos square x whole square sin x dx. Now let cos x equals to t. So minus of sin x dx equals to dt. So sin x dx equals to minus dt. So this integration will become 1 minus t square minus dt whole square. So minus of 1 plus t to the power 4 or minus 2t square dt. So this is equal to t to the power 5 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3 t cube plus c. Now put the value of t here. T is cos x, cos to the power 5x upon 3 minus 2 by 3 cos cube by x plus cos 2. So you can see how we are separating these type of questions to solve it. Now we are moving to next question. Say for cos to the power 7x dx. So see the technique, cos to the power cx into cos x dx. So this we can write as 1 minus sin square x whole power 3 cos x dx. Now let sin x equals to t. So this is cos x dx equals to dt. Now put in this 1 minus t square power 3 dt. So we can solve it. 1 minus t6 minus 3t square 1 minus t square dt. So this is 1 minus t to the power 6 minus 3t square plus 3 to the power 4 dt. So it is t minus 2 to the power 7 upon 7 minus 3 upon 3 t cube 3 upon 5 t to the power 5 plus c. Now put the value of t is equal to sin x here. So you can see how we are separating it and substituting the value of sin x. This is a unique method to solve this kind of question. Now moving to next question. Sin to the power 3x cos to the power 4x dx. Here this power is odd number and this is even number. So the power which is odd will take sin x outside. We'll write sin square x cos to the power 4x dx. So you see sin x, this can be written as 1 minus cos square x and this is cos 4x dx. Now let cos x equals to t. So minus of sin x dx equals to dt. So sin x dx can be written as minus dt. So what we are taking t is cos x. It means the which is of even power function which is of the even power that we are taking as t. So sin x dx. So this is equivalent to 1 minus t square into t to the power 4 into minus t. So minus of t to the power 4 minus t to the power 6 dt, or we can write t to the power 6 minus t to the power 4 dt. So integration is t to the power 7 upon 7 minus t to the power 5 upon 5 plus c. Now put the value of cos here. Cos to the power 7x upon 7 minus cos to the power 5x upon 5 plus c. This is the required solution. So what is t? T basically we are taking this which is having the even power. Now we are moving to next question. Sin to the power 6x cos to the power 3x dx. Now what we are doing, sin x to the power 6x, this we can write as cos square x into cos x dx. Now sin to the power 6x, this is 1 minus sin square x cos x dx. So here we are taking sin x is equal to t. Like here it is having an even power, so that is why we are taking sin x as t. So this is equal to cos x dx equals to dt. So this is t to the power 6, so 1 minus t square dt. So you can see that t to the power 6 minus t to the power 8 dt, which is equivalent to t to the power 7 upon 7 minus t to the power 9 upon 9 plus. Now put the value of t here. Sin x to the power 7 upon 7 minus sin x to the power 9 upon 9 plus c. So now you can see how we are taking the value of t in this case. So using this trick we are able to find the solution very easily. Now we are moving to next question. When both the power are odd. Say for sin to the power 3x and cos to the power 5x dx. So anyone you can take t here. Say for sin cube x cos to the power 4x into cos x dx. So sin to the power 3x 1 minus sin square x whole square dx into cos x dx. Now let sin x as t. So this is cos x dx equals to dt. So this integration will become t cube 1 minus t square whole square dt. So this is t cube 1 plus t to the power 4 minus 2t square dt. So t cube plus t to the power 7 minus 2 t to the 5 dt. So you can see t to the power 4 upon 4 plus t to the power 8 upon 8 minus 2 to the power 6 upon 6 plus constant. Now put the value of t here. Sin x to the power 4 upon 4 plus sin x to the power 8 upon 8 minus twice sin x power 6 upon 6 plus c. So you can see the solution, how we are finding out the solution very easily using this super trick. So that's all from my side in this video. So you guys please watch this video, subscribe it, refer it, and best of luck.